Hello students, in this session I discuss one problem on the specific rotation and enantiomeric axis. Okay, so here the question is, ephedrine is a very potent dilator of the air passages in the lungs, has been used to treat asthma, and the naturally occurring stereoisomer isolable from the plant Ephedra sinica is a levorotatory, okay, and it has a configuration above. That means here this is the structure of the ephedra. This can be exist in a two forms. That means here levo form and dextro form. That means right hand form, left hand form. Okay. Of course, here levo form has a specific rotation minus 40 degrees. Okay. Levo rotatory has a specific rotation alpha minus 40 degrees. Of course, here assign the RS configuration to each chiral center. Of course, this is structure of the molecule. Okay, we can give the RS configuration. Okay, so but here the question is, if a solution of plus and minus ephedrine, that means dextro and levo forms of the ephedrine has a specific rotation of 10 degrees, what a percentage of the mixture is dextrorotatory enantiomer? Okay, so here in this case the pure isomer, that means levo form of the ephedrine has a specific rotation minus 40. That means here for dextrorotatory, specific rotation is 40 degrees, because these two dextrorotatory, levorotatory are the mirror images each other. They have opposite optical rotation in polarimeter experiment. So minus 40 here plus 40. Okay. Okay, so here actually uh, what is the formula for calculating the enantiomeric axis? Actually, what is the enantiomeric axis? Simply, for suppose yeah, 50 percentage of the dextroisomer, 50 percentage of the levoisomer, it means 100 percentage racemic mixture actually. Okay, and 60 percentage of dextroisomer, 40 percentage of levoisomer. Here in this case 80 percentage of the racemic mixture. The racemic mixture is the equal amounts of the dextroisomer and levoisomer. Here 40 percentage levo, here 40 percentage dextro, 80 percentage of the racemic mixture. That means here remaining 20 percentage is dextroisomer. It is nothing but enantiomeric excess or optical purity. Okay, so here this mixture optical rotation 0, but this mixture optical rotation is not 0. Okay, it's optical rotation because of the excess amount of the enantiomer, that is nothing but dextroisomer. Okay, for suppose of 40% is dextroisomer here, for suppose 30% is dextroisomer, 70% of the levoisomer, here 60% is racemic mixture, the remaining 40% is levo is present in excess amount. There is nothing but enantiomeric excess. Okay, so now here the mixture has a specific rotation plus 10 degrees. That means here which isomer is present in excess amount? Dextro isomer is present in excess amount. Okay, now here the based on this specific rotation of the mixture and specific rotation of the pure enantiomer, we have to calculate the enantiomeric excess or optical purity. That equals to here rotation of the mixture plus 10 degrees and rotation of the pure enantiomer is 40 degrees. Okay, that means here plus that dextroisomer is present in excess, so here also I am taking here pure optical rotation of the dextrorotatory, so here into 100, that equals to 25 percentage. Okay, so here the enantiomeric excess is 25 percentage. Okay, now here the racemic mixture is 100 minus 25, that equals to 75 percentage racemic mixture. 75 percentage racemic mixture means 37.5 percentage plus isomer and 37.5 percentage minus isomer. Okay, so here in this case asking percentage of dextroisomer, actually here actually which is present in excess amount based on this specific rotation of the mixture, which is present in excess amount. Dextro isomer is present in excess amount. That's why we got a positive rotation. So here in this case, percentage of the dextro isomer is equals to 37.5 percentage. Okay, 37.5 percentage, and enantiomeric excess is 25 percentage. Okay, so that means why should you have to add this 25 percentage to the 37.5 percentage positive? Because that mixture has a positive rotation. Okay, that means that mixture has a 25 percentage extra dextro isomer. Okay, so here totally the 62.5 percentage dextro isomer and remaining 37.5 percentage levo isomer. Okay, that's it. Of course we can write the RS configuration for this one.